Back to our videos about the website project. In this video, I want to show you how to publish your website. So if you have worked on your website and now you've previewed it multiple times, when the website is created in Composer, you have a quick preview right in this designer mode, where Composer adds a few additional items like this red border where otherwise it would be invisible in the browser. So the first step is to hit the Browse button, and the Browse button is going to open the default browser on your computer and show you what your page looks like in the browser. But notice the word File at the very beginning. File and then followed by letter C here simply means that you are looking at this web page while it's on your computer. It's not yet on the server. So there are a couple of ways to publish this website, and we have more videos on this playlist that deal with that. I do want to mention, though, that the easiest way to publish your website is from the lab. And in the lab, here are the steps that you would take. We would first open our website folder. So in my documents, I have my website folder. And now I could highlight these files, right-click and say copy, which means that the location of these files are now in the clipboard. Okay, my next step in the lab would be to go ahead and open a shortcut, My GVSU website. When you double-click on this folder, you might be asked for username and password. Just use your Blackboard username and password. And then you can go ahead and right-click and paste all the files, and when they copy, your website has just published. And then anytime in the future you correct any mistakes or you continue to build your website, you again right-click and copy and paste into that remote folder, and you'll be asked to go ahead and replace files, and so you go ahead and do that. So that's how you publish at the lab. But if you are at home and you are working on the website, one of the ways to publish your website is to first zip the folder. So we're going to, on Windows, say send to a compressed zip folder. If you're on the Mac, you'll right-click and you'll say to compress the folder. And now this folder can be attached to an email message. So go ahead and email yourself this folder, and when you are logged in on a computer in the lab, download the folder, decompress it, so unzip the files, and simply repeat what we just did a moment ago, where you copy the files. You're going to open the My GVSU website folder on the lab computer, and you will go ahead and replace the files that are on your website. So this would be the easiest way to publish your website, and hopefully you're not going to have very many difficulties doing that. Now, something to remember about our website project is that only the files which are actually published will be available to the users or the viewers of your website. So again, if pictures are not in your remote location, then pictures will not show on your website. If you happen to forget your pictures, what you need to do is you first have to copy them next to your pages, then you have to go back to Composer and you have to double click on the picture and then reinsert it from the local folder. So that's the process. You have to reinsert the pictures, then you save the file, and then you republish the website. All right, hopefully this was helpful to you, and thank you very much.